Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to record audio on your Android mobile phone. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store and in the search bar click on type in recording and you'll be brought to this page, and then what you need to do is click on Samsung Voice Recorder and then click on enable and then click on open, and then to record audio you simply just click and hold the red button, but because I'm doing a screen recording it's not going to allow me to do this. So yeah, that's it guys, how to record audio on your Android mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.